Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have our October Rocksbox. So there is a piece in my box that I've been wearing. You guys have probably been seeing me wearing it with this necklace. I'm like obsessed with the Rudiment collection. It's just everything that I would want in jewelry that I will continue to keep buying. It's just so like, it has like the stars, the moons, the hamsas, the evil eye, like all that stuff. Like that's what I want in my jewelry, and it's just so dainty and delicate, and it's just really fun to like layer with these little guys right here. So this is actually, I want to say well, I've only done, this is my second time doing a Rocksbox video, but my very first one, this is what I got in it, and I'm like obsessed. So if you want to see what I got in this month's Rocksbox, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so you guys already know everything comes in this cute little box right here. I already took everything out, but when you open everything up, everything is already inside here. I love the bow, I love the rose gold. Just getting the Rocksbox box, I just love getting it. It just makes me so happy inside, and it's just like, I love it. So we can kind of already get started on the first necklace that I've been wearing constantly. It's this guy right here. I'm going to try to see if I can focus, but yeah, as you can see, it has like little stars, it has little hearts, evil eye, moons, hamsas. Like I said, it's just so freaking cute, like so cute. So I've been wearing this necklace literally all the time. So this guy right here that I'm wearing, I wear it like over it like this, so I'm already keeping that. And then the next item we have up is this ring. Let me like find a finger to put this ring on, because like if you guys can't see, like I have a ring on like each finger. I know, too crazy for the ring, but here's the ring right here. It's just, I don't know, I feel like it's kind of like looks like Kendra, but it's something like that I would constantly wear. But and then my last necklace, I love it guys. Like I'm gonna keep this necklace and the other necklace. Like this is beautiful. It's everything I've always wanted. Like it's so cute. I just love it. It has like the turquoise. Like what got me was the turquoise. Honestly, I would probably still buy it if it didn't have a turquoise. It had like the diamonds in it. But it's pretty much the same. It's the same company, the necklace that I'm wearing, this one and the first one I just showed you. It's the same company. So yeah, like that jewelry company has taken my heart. Alright guys, so that's it. So your monthly subscription for Rocksbox is $21. Anything you decide to keep, that $21 will go towards that item. Plus, on top of that, you do get everything at member price. So that's pretty cool. So you get things a little bit cheaper and save you a little bit more coin and money. So that's one thing that I really enjoy, that you do get a little bit more of a discount. So I already know what I'm going to be keeping. So let me know in the comments down below what I should be keeping. Should I keep everything? Should I just keep the necklaces that I've already said that I wanted to keep? I already know, like my mind is already made up what I'm going to keep. So I'm going to keep those items. I'm really excited what I'm going to get for next month. I kind of wanted to get some bracelets. I have like a ton of Alex and Ani bracelets, so I don't really know what I want. I think I want more like a cuff style bracelet, something a little bit thicker. So we'll see. And I definitely need to get my ears pierced so I can wear some earrings. But that's it for this one, guys. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And that's it for this, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.